IGCSE Computer Science, Syllabus Statement 1.3.3G, describe the principles of operation of pointing devices and yada yada yada. Anyway, a pointing device is a device used to control the movement of a cursor on a computer screen, like I'm doing now. So the pointing device I'm using is a touchpad. So some other pointing devices include like mice and tracker balls. Now, we don't usually use tracker balls, but we'll talk about how they are still used for some applications. So on a computer, selection of an icon or button is required. This can be done by using a mouse, tracker ball, touchpad, or even a touch screen. But the mouse is usually the most common pointing device. So some common mice forms include the mechanical ball arrangement, red LED used to detect movement, and wireless. Mice require space to move. Some mice need mouse pads, as some surfaces may not be able to support mouse use. Most mice have left-click and right-click buttons for selection and other functions. Some also have a scroll wheel, which allows rapid movement up and down a screen. So you usually get these features on a mouse. They're also like Razer mouse, like Razer mice. I was going to say Razer mouses. Yeah, there are some Razer mice, like the company Razer, which can have quite a lot of buttons, and it's yeah, it's quite weird. It's usually like gaming mice. So that's because these other buttons can perform different functions, obviously. Tracker balls are usually used in industrial environment. Tracker balls also don't require much space to move, as the cursor is moved with a ball. Because of this, it is less likely to suffer from RSI when you're using them. It's like mice, you're always moving your hand around, but with tracker balls, you're just moving a ball. You can try to think of some ways tracker balls are used in industrial environment, like, I can't think of one off the top of my head, like perhaps in, I don't know, designing, like you might want to like use a tracker ball to move some stuff. Never mind, I can't really describe it, but like mice, tracker balls may have buttons for selection and other functions. Most laptops have touchpads. A touchpad is a tactile sensor which is used by moving fingers over the pad to move the cursor, like I'm doing now. Touchpads may also come with a left click and a right click, with left click and right click buttons like mice do, but for some trackpads, selections can be made by tapping the surface, like my touchpad can be made by tapping it.